Gatsu. Gatsu means how many. To ask the question, what time is it now? We actually say how many hours is it, or what o'clock is it? Dada chutsu gatsu ribe. Dada means now. Chutsu means clock or hours. Gatsu ribe, how many hours is it? Ri means is or are. Be is the question mark. Now to answer this question is quite simple. You replace gatsu with the number of clock or hour to the answer of the answer. So if I were to say it is 10 o'clock now, it is very easy. Just replace gatsu with juba. Juba in this case is 10 o'clock. Dada chutsu juba re. Dada now chutsu clock. Juba 10 re. Again, to turn this into a question to ask, is it 10 o'clock now? All you need to do is add the be, the question mark at the end. You say Dada chutsu juba rebe.